Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a supported carrier and an active Wi-Fi connection, so confirm both first, then open Settings and go straight to SIMs and mobile networks. Tap the SIM that handles voice, because Poco M6 5G can use either slot when configured. Once there, find Wi-Fi calling and toggle it on. This initiates a registration with the carrier. Make sure cellular data is enabled briefly if the phone asks, since registration sometimes needs a mobile connection to update your number. Once Wi-Fi calling is enabled, choose your preference. Wi-Fi preferred prioritizes local networks, while cellular preferred falls back to mobile if Wi-Fi degrades. Enter your emergency address if prompted so emergency services route correctly. This is required in many regions. Make sure VoLTE LTE is enabled too, because some carriers require VoLTE LTE for voice over Wi-Fi. If settings don't apply immediately, restart the phone and reconnect to Wi-Fi. That often completes registration and stabilizes call routing. Now test with a short outgoing and incoming call to confirm audio and handover between Wi-Fi and cellular. Listen for delays or dropouts. If quality is poor, move closer to the router or try a different band too. 4 GHz versus 5 GHz. If Wi-Fi calling won't register, toggle Wi-Fi and airplane mode, then reboot the phone and try again. If that still fails, contact your carrier for provisioning issues. This is the key troubleshooting step that resolves most persistent registration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.